Question number 9. If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, that means in one arithmetic progression, third term is 4, ninth term is minus 8. Which term of this AP is 0? In that particular AP, somewhere 0 will be there. That is which term? The position of 0, position of the term 0 is what? That only they are asking us to find. Let us go with the given conditions. Third term is given as 4. So we let third term A3 is 4. A3 can be written as A plus 2D, that is also 4. Say this one as first equation. Next, ninth term is given as minus 8. We will write ninth term A9 is equal to minus 8. A9 can be written as A plus 8D, that is minus 8. Say this one as second equation. Here you can subtract first equation from second. So when we are subtracting equation 1 from 2, from after what is that one you write first. From after second equation, so A plus 8 equal to minus 8 you write first. Subtracting first equation, so that will come in the second line. First equation we are subtracting. A plus 2D equal to 4 we are subtracting. So which equation you are subtracting, that sign change will be there. Plus A will become as minus A, plus 2D will become as minus 2D, plus 4 will become as minus 4. After changing the signs, don't mind the old symbols. Now you have to mind only the new symbols, that is everywhere minus. A minus A will be 0. AD minus 2D is 6D. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. Further you can write D value as D is equal to minus 12. 6 is multiplying. If you transpose to RHS, it will divide. 6 one time, 6 two times. Minus 2 by 1 is nothing but minus 2. So D value is minus 2. This getting D value you can substitute either in first equation or in second equation. Let me substitute in first equation. Put D equal to minus 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus 2 into D equal to 4. A plus 2 into D value will give 4. D value is minus 2. So instead of D, I wrote minus 2. A will be A, plus into minus is minus. 2 into 2, that is 4, is equal to 4. We need only A value. So minus 4 is to be transposed to right hand side. So A is equal to, already this 4 is there, copy it. Minus 4 if you transpose, it will become as plus 4. 4 plus 4. What is 4 plus 4? That is 8. Now you got A value is 8 and D value is minus 2. And in the question, they are asking us to find which term of this AP is 0. We don't know the position of that term 0. So we will think that that will be nth term. Which one? 0 will be the nth term of this particular AP. So we will write let nth term will be 0. That is an is equal to 0. An formula is a plus n minus 1 into D equal to 0. A value is 8 and D value is minus 2. We will substitute here. A value is 8. 8 plus n value we don't know, that we need to find. D value is minus 2 equal to 0. If you transpose positive 8 to right hand side, it will become as negative 8. N minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to, already 0 is there, 0 minus 8, that is minus 8. Next, n minus 1 is equal to minus 8. Now we are transposing minus 2 to right hand side. So it is multiplying. It will comes to this side, it will divide. After that, what you need to do, this minus and minus gets cancelled. 2 one time, 2 4 times. 4 by 1 is 4 only. So we will write n minus 1 is equal to 4. N minus 1 equal to 4. Minus 1 you transpose to right hand side, it will become as plus 1. So n is equal to 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. N value is 5. So what we assumed here, nth term will be 0. Instead of n, 5. So instead of n, if you put 5, fifth term will be 0. In the question, which term of this AP will be 0? So we will write fifth term will be 0. Final conclusion line. Therefore, fifth term is 0. Question number 10. The 70th term of an arithmetic progression exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. The meaning of this one is 17th term of this and one particular arithmetic progression is exceeds, that means more. 17th term is more than 10th term by how much? 7. For example, let us see that 4 exceeds 4 exceeds 3 by how much? 4 is excess than 3 by how much? 1. So how we can represent this one? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. That means the difference between these two will be 1. The same logic is applicable here. 17th term exceeds 10th term by 7. That is 17th term minus 10th term will give 7. So we will write A17. 17th term is A17 and 10th term is A10. 17th term is exceeds than 10th term. That means the difference between these two terms is 7. A17 can be written as A plus 16D. A10 can be written as A plus 9D is equal to 7. We are doing the subtraction. A17 minus A10. A plus 16D. This is A17 value is to be subtracted A10 10th term. A plus 9D. Now A plus 16D minus into plus, that is minus A, minus into plus, that is minus 9D equal to 7. Now plus A minus A will become as 0. 16D minus 9D. Out of 16D we are subtracting 9D. 16 minus 9 is 7. That is D term. 16D minus 9D is 7D is equal to 7. From this you can write D is equal to 7. 7 is multiplying. If you transpose, it will divide. 7 by 7 is nothing but 7 one time, 7 one time. 1 by 1 is 1 only. So D is equal to 1. What is D? Common difference. So that you can write common difference D value is 1. Question number 11. Which term of the arithmetic progression 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 132 more than its 54th term? First we will write what is the given arithmetic progression. 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on. Whenever arithmetic progression is given, what is our first work? We have to write the first term as well as the common difference. Here first term A is, first number is nothing but first term, that is 3. Common difference D formula A2 minus A1, that means second term minus first term. Second term is 15 minus first term is 3. 15 minus 3 is 12. You got the value of A is 3 and D is 12. Now go to the question. Which term of the particular AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? Which term? We don't know the term number. So let it be nth term. So in this AP, nth term will be 132 more than its 54th term. That only we will write now. Let nth term will be 132 more than its 54th term. Nth term is represented by an. Will be, instead of will be, in mathematics notation you can write equality sign. 132 more than its 54th term. Comparing to 54th term, 132 more means extra. How much will be there? 132. So we'll write first 54th term, that is A54. Here more is there, so plus. How much more? 132 more. So some term that will be nth term is 132 more than 54th term. This is the mathematical notation. Now an formula is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to A54 can be written as a plus 53d plus 132. Next, this is plus a, this is also plus a. If you transpose 1a to LHS, it will be a minus a, that will be 0 only. So instead of that I am cancelling here. A minus a will be 0. Next, you need to find out n value. Here d value 12 we know very well. So that d value you substitute here, n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d value is 12 is equals to 53 into d value. 53 into d value is 12 plus 132. Further you can write n minus 1 into 12 is equals to 53 12 times. 12 3s are 36, 12 5s are 60 plus 3, 63, 636 plus 132. 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7, which is nothing but n minus 1 into 12. 12 is multiplying. If you transpose to RHS, it will divide 768. N minus 1 equal to 768 divided by 12. With the 12 table, you can cancel directly. 12 5s are 60, 12 6 are 72. 12 one time, 12 6 are 72. 72 out of 76, if you subtract 72, 4 will be left. 4 and 8, 48. So 12 4s are 48. So 64 by 1 is 64. N minus 1 is equal to 64. That implies n is equal to, if you transpose minus 1 to RHS, it will be plus 1. 64 plus 1, that is 65. So n value is 65. So instead of n, if you are writing here 65, we can write 65th term will be 132 more than its 54th term. So final conclusion line we will write, therefore 65th term will be 132 more than its 54th term. Question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. There are two arithmetic progression. Their common difference is same. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th terms? Here one hint is what? The difference between 100th term is 100. This is one hint. Another hint, both the APs are having the same common difference. There is no information about first term. So the first terms might be different and the common difference is same. With this concept we will proceed. Let small a and capital A are the first terms of the two arithmetic progression. Here small a is the first term of first AP, capital A is the first term of second AP, and here common difference, same common difference word is mentioned, so that and small d be the common difference for both the APs. Next, given information, the difference between their 100th terms is 100. So the difference between 100th terms of both APs will be 100. So first AP 100th term. So first AP is starting term. If first term is A, so let me represent that is A100 is the 100th term of first AP, and capital A100 will be the 100th term of second AP. The difference is nothing but subtraction only. So the difference between both 100 terms is 100. Further, you think about A100. A100 will be A plus 99D minus capital A100. Second AP 100th term. That is, you can represent as first term. Second AP first term is capital A plus 99 and the same common difference, that is D, is equal to 100. Further, you can write A plus 99D as it is. Minus into plus is minus A, minus into plus is minus 99D is equal to 100. Next, plus 99D minus 99D will be 0. Then what you got here? Small a minus capital A is equal to 100. Say this one as first equation. Next, go to the question. In that question, they are asking us to find out the difference between their 1000th term. Difference between 1000th terms. First AP 1000th term is represented by A1000 minus, difference means subtraction. Here second AP 1000th term will be 8000. This only they are asking us to find. That equal to A1000 can be written as A plus 999D minus capital A plus 999D. Further, you can write A plus 999D minus into plus minus A, minus into plus is minus 999D plus 999D minus 999D will be 0. What is left here? Small a minus capital A is left. You observe from first equation, small a minus capital A is 100. So instead of small a minus capital A, you can write 100. That is, from 1 we have written this. So we can conclude that therefore difference between 1000th terms of both APs will be 100.